Berger Chevrolet, and today I'm going to show you how to reset your engine's oil life system. If your vehicle says it's in need of an oil change, but you just recently got one, it's important to update your vehicle's oil life system so that it can alert you properly when you're in need of an oil change next.
Your vehicle has a button. Press and hold start for 5 seconds without stepping on the brake pedal. Or, if you have a key, turn your key on without starting the engine. Press the navigation button located on the steering wheel. Select Info. Scroll down until you can select Remaining Oil Life on the menu. Press and hold the center of the thumb wheel until it says your oil life is 100%. Start your vehicle to assure that the oil life has been reset.
And you're good to go. When you get an oil change at Berger, we set your oil life for you. To schedule an appointment, visit us online at bergerchevy.com. We'll see you soon.